My name's David Booth, and I'm in North Phoenix. So the calcium buildup and ring on the pool got extremely bad. So I called Bullfrog Tile Cleaning to come out and service my pool. Super smooth process, quick phone call, got an estimate that was pretty dialed in when they got here. The crew, the guys were absolutely amazing, top-notch customer service, and the results speak for themselves. I would use Bullfrog Tile Cleaning service over and over again. Highly recommended. Again, superior quality, phenomenal customer experience, and just a seamless process.